Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best universal remote is probably one of the most essential accessories for any modern home entertainment setup, simplifying your life by consolidating all your remote controls into one sleek, user-friendly device. Imagine effortlessly switching between your TV, soundbar, Blu-ray player, and streaming devices without the clutter of multiple remotes, all while enjoying intuitive control and advanced features that enhance your viewing experience. This isn't just about convenience, it's about reclaiming your coffee table and streamlining your interaction with technology, making it easier than ever to access your favorite content and settings with just a few clicks. Number 5. Loutoc Replacement Remote for Roku TV. This replacement remote is specifically designed for all Roku TV models. It's the perfect solution if you're looking to replace your original Roku TV remote. It is compatible with TCL Roku, Hisense Roku, and on Roku series smart TVs. Please note, this remote is not designed for Roku sticks or boxes. Experience a superior remote with an extended transmission range of over 25 feet and a rapid 0.3-second response time. The buttons are built to last, supporting over 120,000 clicks. Enjoy quick access to your favorite streaming services with dedicated shortcut buttons for Netflix, Disney+, P-Video, and Hulu. It makes navigating your entertainment easier than ever. Getting started is incredibly simple. No programming or setup is needed, just insert two AAA batteries and it's ready to use right out of the box. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic and silicone, this remote offers a comfortable grip and exceptional durability. The soft, responsive buttons ensure a pleasant user experience. What we like. If you own a Roku TV and are tired of your old remote, this is the perfect replacement. It offers dedicated shortcut buttons for popular streaming services like Netflix and Disney+. If you want a simple, plug-and-play solution for your Roku TV, this is the one to get. What people say. It was easy to set up and battery lasts for a while. Very solid, quality function and appearance. Replaces Magic Remote perfectly as far as I can tell. These remotes worked great. No problems. They came ready to go. There was no setup. Batteries are holding well. The remote has a good feel in the hand. Number 4. Philips Universal Remote Control SRP 9232D27. Tired of juggling multiple remotes? This device lets you control up to 3 audio and video devices, including TVs, Blu-ray players, and soundbars, all from one place. It works with thousands of devices from all major brands, ensuring compatibility with your existing entertainment system. Just add batteries and set it up easily. Get started right away with pre-programmed buttons for Samsung TVs and Roku streaming boxes. It's designed for immediate use with these popular brands. Setting up is a breeze. You can use automatic code search or direct code entry. Plus, enjoy primary audio control for volume adjustments, regardless of the device. Its classic black finish complements any decor. The compact and ergonomic design ensures it fits comfortably in your hand for a pleasant user experience. What we like. If you're looking for a straightforward remote to manage a few of your most used devices, especially Samsung TVs or Roku boxes, this is a great choice. Its pre-programmed nature and simple setup mean you'll be up and running in no time. If you value ease of use and have a couple of key brands to control, consider this option. What people say. After a brief setup I found that it controls the volume and channels. Works well, easy to set up, and does all I would expect it to do. Setup was easy and quick. Work well with both units. Can access settings, menus, etc. Full control of both units it's connected to. Thankfully it absolutely is. I was relieved to see my TV listed on the code area. First code worked off the bat. It's clunky and old school, but I recommend it over the Roku remote any day. Number 3. GE Designer Series 4 Device Universal Remote. Introducing the GE Designer Series Universal Remote. It offers a modern brushed finish and is available in 5 stylish colors to complement your home decor. This versatile remote can manage up to 4 audio and video components simultaneously. Easily control your TV, Blu-ray player, streaming device, and soundbar, all from one place. It boasts a comprehensive code library that works with all major brands and supports thousands of the latest and legacy audio-video components. Please check the provided code list to ensure compatibility with your specific devices. Setting it up is a breeze with our easy-to-follow online video guide. Plus, enjoy the convenience of master volume control, allowing you to adjust the volume regardless of the active device. The buttons are designed for ease of use, including essential functions like menu, home guide, DVR list, and even advanced features for easy sub-channel access. Please note that 2 AAA batteries are required and not included. While it offers broad compatibility, please be aware that it does not work with Roku streaming stick or Amazon Fire TV stick devices. What we like. If you appreciate a blend of style and functionality, this remote is for you. It controls up to 4 devices and offers a master volume control, so you don't have to switch between settings. If you want a remote that looks good and simplifies controlling multiple components, especially if you like brushed finishes, this is a solid pick. What people say. It took me all of about 7 minutes to pair it up to the TV, Roku, and DVD VCR unit, and I've got room on the remote for a couple more devices if I ever need to do that. This remote is stylish and lightweight, it's less than half the weight of my Roku remote. Plus, it's not as small as the Roku remote, which means there's less chance of losing it. It's slim and has a brushed aluminum-looking faceplate, so dust won't show as much as on a black remote. Very lightweight. Easy to program, even without knowing the code. It found the IR code and worked very fine. Time to program, 3 minutes. It supports several devices that you can easily switch between. All the main buttons are decent size. Easy to get used to and operate without looking. Number 2. GE Blue Backlit Universal Remote Control. Effortlessly manage up to 4 devices, including your TV, Blu-ray player, soundbar, and streaming devices. It's designed to simplify your entertainment setup. This universal remote boasts an extensive library of codes, ensuring compatibility with thousands of audio and video devices from all major brands. Get ready for seamless operation. It comes pre-programmed for immediate use with Samsung TVs, making setup a breeze. Just add 2 AA batteries and you're good to go. Enjoy a hassle-free setup with automatic code search and direct code entry options. Plus, master volume control lets you adjust audio regardless of the device you're using. With its classic brushed black finish, it complements any decor. The blue LED backlighting ensures you can easily see and use every button, even in a dark room. What we like. If you often find yourself fumbling for the right button in low light, this remote is a game changer. The blue backlit buttons make it easy to see and use in any lighting condition. If you need to control up to 4 devices and prioritize convenience in dimly lit rooms, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The first code worked for each of my equipment pieces. Can make the volume and mute button always be controlled by one of the 4 programmable pieces no matter which device you are controlling. The backlit buttons on the remote are fantastic in a very dark room, just what I have been looking for. Easy and quick to set up and works great. I like that the buttons are backlit to easily see in them in the dark as well. Number 1. SofaBaton X1S Universal Remote. Introducing the SofaBaton X1S, the ultimate solution for managing all your home entertainment devices. It seamlessly controls up to 60 devices across IR, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. With an extensive database supporting over 6,000 brands and 500,000 device models, it ensures compatibility with current and future devices. This library is continuously updated, keeping you ahead of the curve. Simplify your entertainment with custom one-click activities. Set up commands to control multiple devices at once, like turning on your TV, receiver, and cable box with a single press. The included hub provides stable, 360-degree control from anywhere in the room, eliminating the need to aim directly at your devices. Its compact design allows for discrete placement. Effortlessly manage your entertainment using voice commands with Alexa and Google Assistant. Simply speak your desired scene, and it will be activated instantly. Enjoy backlit buttons for low-light visibility and a raise to wake feature that illuminates the screen when you pick it up. Misplaced it? The Find My Remote app feature will help you locate it with a loud beep. Tailor your control experience by adding custom virtual buttons for single or multiple commands. Quickly access favorite channels or navigate complex menus with personalized shortcuts. What we like. If you're looking for the ultimate in home entertainment control and want to integrate smart features, this is the remote for you. With app control, voice commands via Alexa, Google Assistant, and the ability to manage up to 60 devices, it offers unparalleled customization. If you want a futuristic, all-in-one solution for a complex setup, this is the one to consider. What people say. The remote works perfectly with my Sharp TV. Easy to set up and use, all buttons are responsive. It has all the necessary functions for my Sharp TV. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.